Amazing Pet Tricks, Take 2. Thank you. With your host and stars, Alexander. Okay, take 3 now.
Okay.
Take this. Okay, I'm not ready. Okay, Amazing Pet Tricks, Take 3. With your host and star, Alexander and Crystal. And our first trick today would have to be the flip. And now you do it, Princess Crystal. Ow. Next time you take it easy. Now we're going to do the handstand. So, hello. And now our final trick is the hold and then flip. And here we go. Oh, wrong one. Okay, redo that. And now he goes like this and catches her.
Great.
Thus end.
Yay! Now why don't you say hello to Mom and Dad and Max, and I'll send it to them.
Hello, Mom. Hello, Dad. Hello, Max.
How are things going in Florida, Mitch?
Good.
What'd you do today?
I basically shot a movie. I went to the pool and I saw a bluebird.
And you had dinner by the water.
You
went swimming?
I said that.
Oh. What are you going to do tomorrow on Aunt Louise's birthday?
I think we might go swimming. We might have another warm day.
Go to the beach.
It was because I got another dog.
Yeah.
His name is Alexander. And really, if you can't really say that, call him Alex.
Excellent. Excellent. Bye-bye.